What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I know I always lag and I always say I'm gonna come back, but like, you know what, something's better than nothing. You know, everybody got their own lives going on and it's so hard to be consistent on YouTube. Like, I really don't know what it is, but like, it's just hard. Anyways, so as you can tell in the background, I have an installation video today plus a giveaway. So I want to make sure this video gets posted first and before I do post the giveaway on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me on Instagram, AlyssaVictoria_. Probably I'll link it down below or link it somewhere on the screen so you can know where to find me if you don't follow me there. I am way more active on Instagram, so make sure you go follow there. This giveaway, as you can tell, it's on the Corvette, so it's for a Corvette. So they are seat covers, and one's obviously for my car and the other will be for somebody that has a Corvette. And yeah, so hopefully you guys want to enter. Good luck. And I'm filming on my phone today because I literally planned to film today and I forgot my Insta360 in Juju's car and she went to work. So we're gonna do an install today. Kustom Interior did sponsor this video, the seat covers. So the crazy part is, when they shipped me the first one, I don't like being picky, but like, it wasn't the color that I wanted because my car's already blue. So like, I didn't want blue interior also, like that was just giving too much for me. So they're like, you know what, keep it and let's do a giveaway on that. And they sent me the one that I wanted, which I don't know if the color shows, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna open it anyway so I can like show people what they're gonna be entering. And it's a free entry. Maybe just follow both accounts. And yeah, I'm gonna see how I'm gonna do the giveaway. Haven't thought that too far yet, but I'm probably gonna have to open it anyway, so I hope the audio is not bad. The color is mine, which one I'm putting on the interior of my car. The interior of my car is actually, like, it's not that bad, but the seat covers that I did get, I think they're gonna be super, super cute, and it's gonna make my interior pop more. I also have my new fans right there, and my radiator comes actually tomorrow. So that's why my car has been sitting in the same spot. And the crazy part is I just got a new freaking battery and it's dead already because the last time I drove my car, everything exploded again. And I was like, you know what, it overheated. So I was like, I'm not gonna turn this car back on. I'm not gonna do anything to it or drive it, nothing. So it's been like a month because the radiator was actually back ordered. So they just shipped it out to me the other day and it's coming in like a couple days. So once I have the radiator, I'm gonna take my car all the way to Stockton. That's where I get it worked on at. Only shop I trust with my car, and he always gets the job done anyways. So yeah, I'm gonna take my car and get my fans and radiator installed because I can't do it myself right now. I know how to do it, but that will be like, to other people it's like so easy, you know, and like I know how to do it, but I think it'll be too much for me to do right now. So I'm gonna drop my car to him, plus I'm gonna have him fix my oil leak and see if there's anything else wrong with the car, just to be on the safe side. And then if everything's good and doesn't overheat no more, then I'm definitely gonna start dealing this around and driving it around. So let's get right into this install and start unboxing. Okay, so I ended up unboxing for my reel, and I did this one, and luckily I literally got it right, and it's actually cute. So they're like honeycomb stitched seat covers, and I think it's gonna make my car look way better, like so freaking cute. That's the top piece. This is the bottom piece, so should be pretty self-explanatory on how we're gonna install this jug. So now I'm gonna install, and then I'll open up the next package to show you guys what the giveaway covers will look like, and if you're interested in them, then I will be doing the giveaway over on my Instagram. So like I said, you can go find me there. The covers. So here's the covers before I install them. Obviously just two because it's 2-seater. This is my Corvette. If you're new to my channel, she is broke down right now. She's kind of always broken, I'm not gonna lie. But these are the covers, and I'll show you guys my interior. It is a Grand Sport, so I do have leather seats in here, but I'm not gonna lie, they're kind of bootsy, you know, like the car's a 2010, so you can't really expect much from a 2010. Otherwise, everything else is really nice on the car. I did break my center console. Honestly, it's been broken since I got it. Oh, I just found my impact. I'd be losing everything and then I find it. Like, I always wonder, I'm like, where did my stuff go? And I was looking for a shirt for the longest time ever. And I came in the car after the events and I'm like, oh my God, it's in here. So here's my interior right now without the covers. Now I'm going to put the covers on and I'm super excited to see the difference. Sadly, I won't be able to drive the car with them, but that's what she's looking like in the interior now. Now we're about to upgrade her to custom interior seat covers, and these are actually cute. Like, I'm really digging it. Like, I already know it's gonna make my interior pop way more, so I'm super excited to get these installed. So if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram if you want to win a pair of seat covers. Pretty sure they're just for C6, so if you have a C6, go enter. Or if you don't, you can still enter and win them. I mean, it's free. Like, come on, free is free, right? So let's get into this. Okay, so far I'm installing like the driver's side. I'm gonna show you guys the passenger, but you have to like really yank on it, and for some reason, even in the Corvette like motor area, it's tight. Like, some of it is like really tight, and even the interior, it's tight. So I almost have them done. I'm just tightening it all up, and then I'll show you guys what the driver's side looks like, and then we'll do an install on the passenger together. Okay, so I don't have that much space on this side because my car is kind of like crooked a bit, because when I pulled it in, it was kind of like overheating, so I put it in really fast and turned it off. So I didn't really have time to straighten it out. So I'm working with the space right here. This is like regular angle, not that much space. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this side, and actually it's a pretty easy and common sense process. The interior already looks better on one end, so now I'm just going to do the passenger side. So here's the passenger side cover. Let me not make a mess in the garage, so put it right here. And if you don't know, the G is also going to be getting wrapped and new wheels, so that's my next project. Maybe I'll put on the wheels today. I'm gonna think about it. I feel like this angle's better because there's just no space, so you'll see the top piece be installed mainly, and it's so easy. Like, there's literally seat covers, guys. And I just know I'm hitting my door on the freaking bike. Okay, so I have that. And I think on the other side where I messed up was I need to zip that part. And the bottom's hecka easy. Besides buckling the back because it's just tight in here. But so here's the before, I mean the after. And I think it looks so much better. Like it just looks classy, cuter. I love the honeycomb stitch and they're actually comfortable. It feels like a little cushiony. Like I actually like it, looks really nice. So here we go. Okay, so we have the giveaway right here. I'm gonna tape it back up, so don't worry. I just want to show everybody what it is. So if you're interested, go to my Instagram and you can enter the giveaway. They are blue seat covers. So this is what they look like, the color and everything. Literally like the ones I installed. The only difference is they aren't honeycomb and they're blue. So I will tape this box up so it can go to its new owner. So if you're interested, make sure you head over to my Instagram, follow Kustom Interior also, and comment done on whatever post you see that's for the giveaway, and enter your chance of winning. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully more installs to come. I do plan on wrapping the G35 like I told you, and new wheels. So I have a bunch of stuff for that car specifically on the way, and a bunch of more collabs. So if you're interested in also collabing, DM me on Instagram. That's usually where I'm at. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.